Hey guys, Keith Randall here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So listen, I did a couple recipes now. A sweet onion beef stick. This is a fragmented jerky. So this is kind of going to be like part 2 of the fragmented formed jerky cooking process. Okay. So I did a sweet onion beef stick here, fragmented. So I'm going to take this meat out and I'm going to load this gun that I have here. Now this is called the Judge, my beef jerky cannon. So what I do is I'll break this up in two batches here. So this is 2 pounds, already marinated. All right. Let me get all that goodness out. This is a sweet onion fragmented jerky. So what I like to do to load this in the cannon is make a nice, just a formed log here and load this inside the cannon just like this. Now this is great when you're picking out a jerky cannon. It's very important that you get a cannon that is not plastic, okay? Because when you wash this thing, the plastic is going to crack over a period of time, okay? So you put your meat in just like this, okay? Now I'm going to do this in 2 separate things. We could push this all down in there. I'm going to do this in 2 separate go rounds here, okay? So you just screw it on like this, and I like the sticks. So I'll get back to this little piece later, but now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how I line my trays here, okay? So, very simple. Now I have vacuum sealed bags that are about 10 inches long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this about 8 inches long, okay? I'm going to make these beef sticks about that size so they fit perfectly. You see how I'm doing this, moving along, just like a caulking gun, guys. Okay? Just like this. Now this is, I don't use any casing for this at all, but I make these sticks just long enough to fit inside my vacuum sealed bag so I can put in about a half a dozen or so. Nice little snack. Okay, so this is a piece of cake. Fragmented jerky is becoming one of my favorites because it's so nice and easy to make. And oh, that's it. That's all we got. So I'm going to load this other one in. We're going to put this in the oven today. We're going to cook this up for you guys. And we're going to make some nice fragmented beef jerky sticks, guys. We're going to bring this up to a safe temperature inside the oven. And we'll get this cooking process started and then to the dehydrating process, guys. Okay, guys. So now what we're going to do with this is we've got 2 different flavors here. This is a honey teriyaki that I made, beef jerky stick. So now I'm going to put this in the oven along with the other sweet onion jerky, okay? So I got my oven set to 375. All right, 375, and I know this takes about 18 minutes, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my probe, and I'm going to put my probe in here to get that internal temperature to 165, okay, just like that. Now I'm going to shut that. I'm going to also set my clock so I don't overcook it, just in case something goes wrong. I'm going to set my timer for 18 minutes, okay? So when we come back, we're going to have a safe beef jerky, fragmented beef jerky stick, sweet onion, and honey teriyaki, guys. You got to try these recipes. And then we're going to put that in the dehydrator and let that finish off for about another hour to an hour and a half or so. Okay, guys, so we'll be right back with the next process, my friends. Okay, guys, we're back. So my timer has gone off. We've hit 165 degrees here. So again, 375, approximately 18 to 20 minutes or so. Now, if you have a convection oven with a fan on it, the process is gonna get to 160, probably a lot faster internally. Okay. So I've just got a regular conventional oven, but a convection oven is one that has the fan on it. Just so you know the difference. Okay. So I'm gonna take my jerky out here. Ooh, hey, ho, ho. All right, and just be careful with that probe because it's gonna be extremely hot when you take that out. Okay. Here we go. Now this is what it looks like, guys. Look how nice those look. This is the sweet and spicy onion. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the dehydrator here. Alright, that's what I like about these trays. You can use these trays here and, you know, they catch all the grease. Look, we got one that rolled off. So you can catch all the grease with these trays. There's no cleaning the oven, none of that stuff. So we're going to put that right in here. Alright. And then I'm going to put my other tray here in as well. This is the honey teriyaki. Okay. Alright, take a good look at that, guys. Here we go. So we're going to finish these off for about an hour and a half inside the dehydrator. 160 degrees. Just like that. Got my timer set here. This is the Weston 160L. Let me shut the oven. This is the Weston 160L. And so I could fit, really, realistically, when I do whole muscle jerky, I can fit about 24 to 25 pounds in here. But I'm just doing the fragmented jerky, guys, today. So we got the timer here. I'm going to set that timer to, let me see, I'm going to set that to 2 hours, and I'm going to check that after about an hour and a half or so. It's on the highest setting, 160 degrees. Realistically, the specs on this, it says it in the specs, it only goes to about 159, okay? So that's why we don't do the complete process inside the dehydrator. We bring it up to a safe temperature in the oven, then we transfer it and finish it off in the dehydrator, okay? So guys, listen, we'll be back. I'm going to show you the finished product here, sweet and spicy onion, and then we've got a nice honey teriyaki fragmented beef steak. Okay guys, we'll be right back.